See, I got the, oh yeah. They just, you know what I mean? We got an M3, y'all. Look, I'm just swerving through traffic and we catch an M3. Oh, damn. And the Benzo want to skirt up on that, bro. I like that. Yeah. Mula gang, what down? It's your boy Mako, man. We downtown LA right now. I just left the crib, you feel me? They got a Clippers home game across the street from my house, you feel me? At the crypto arena. And I got to go to the Glendale Galleria real quick, pick up some. So I'm gonna take y'all with me like I always do, man. You feel me? You know the neck heavy. Well, it ain't heavy, but got great grandma right here. Got GBF, the squad, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we got the Thoink on us too, you feel me? I hope all is well with y'all. Having a decent little border, you feel me? I'm up off like 5 hours of sleep. 4 hours of sleep, some shit. I went to sleep at like 6 o'clock in the morning. This is 12. And I'm already up and at it, you feel me? You gonna play some of that new Baby though. What you say, FaceTime, we still talking codes. I think the feds on every iPhone. Y'all heard that spit? I know y'all heard that spit. I know y'all heard that, man. Now we finna get on the freeway act a foolio. We finna get on that freeway act a foolio, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Wait, let me make sure I'm on the right song, goddammit. There's too much shit going on my phone. Oh, go, go, go. Don't miss the light. Don't miss the light, man. Go. Don't do that. I wanna hit this, folks. I wanna hear that future shit. Yeah. FaceTime, we still talking codes. I think the feds on every iPhone. No more polo t-shirts. Put that shit on every day from now on. No cap. We putting that shit on. We finna act a little fool real quick though. Let's get it. Let's get money. Let's get money. Let's get money. Stargate. The ash always be flying everywhere without driving though. That's the only thing I don't like about this goddamn top. Look out the window, what do I see? Shut up, boy. Shut up, son. Let's go crazy. Let's go a little crazy today. We gas short. We gas short. No, I'm just playing. That color ugly as hell though to me. Cut out. Let's cut up. Let's act the fool, son. Act the fool. Oh, let's act the fool. I like this shit. I'm at age. Today gonna be a good day. I can feel it. I'm having fun doing this shit, man. Hey, you ever had so much fun almost crashing your car? I swear I do all the time. That's the funnest thing in the world, like down there, right? Oh, bro. Oh, we got a tunnel, y'all. We got a tunnel. We got a tunnel. Y'all know how we play. We gonna slow it down. Look. Y'all, it look like GTA going this way too. If y'all know, I'm gonna show y'all the POV on the way back. It looks like GTA going this way too. Another tunnel, you know what I am. I'm gonna act up every time. They gonna have to hate me. They gonna have to hate me. Hey man, hey, shorty, hey, get out of the way, shorty. I'm coming through. Don't you see me in the back? Come on, man. I'm trying to speed racing in my life. Yeah, Z-Money. Hey man, believe in yourself, man. Oh shit, believe in yourself. Blood, sweat, and tears in this shit, man. I'm just getting started. I ain't even got started yet. This is just the prelude. I swear. The movie ain't even started yet, you hear me? This just the prequel. The prequel. It's just the prequel. Oh, Fodell. Slutty. ourselves, man, because it took a long time to get here, boy, but I promise we got here, man. I know y'all see these mountains. I know y'all see this shit, man. I know y'all do. Shit just rock. Like I said, we on the way to the Glendale Galleria. For everybody that don't know, that's a mall. It's kind of like in the fake, like, kind of like the suburbs of LA, but not really. I mean, it ain't the inner city, but it ain't really the suburbs for real. Like, the suburbs to me is like Rancho Cucamonga. You feel me? Marina Del Rey. You know what I'm saying? But if a motherfucker from Glendale or they live in Glendale, they still gonna say they live in LA. You feel me? It ain't like it's an hour away. This shit like 15 minutes down the street. You feel me? It's kind of like how the Sibley Boulevard is in Chicago, if y'all know.
You can run around, blood track, start you run shit down.
Yeah.
I made this shit happen in 1 pound.
Yeah.
I just wrote on one band, one sound. She like for the floor, let's stay in. Then she gotta get new tape in.
$10 millions, walking in Prada, drinking out Starbucks. Oh, gotta talking cold when you on FaceTime like the feds on phone.
Can't beat me, academic, no he ain't rich me. Brody ready, he for 20. Ain't got nothing to say to you, mini-me's. Ready to buy a little nigga contract. Yeah, whatever, we on that.
Still just bring the tail, bro. Now I'm a million now. I'ma pull up Lamborghini on my block. I know the feeling though. Extras playing games, but now that hoe all in her feelings now. So homicide. I shoot it out in that jump shit, let me traumatize. Better would've been me, then let's say that's paralyzed. I'm cool as fuck, nigga, don't wanna see my other side. I'm cool as fuck, nigga, don't wanna see my other side. Telephone out to my whole brand, turn on. Rich ain't he ain't got no mind, what's wrong? I got the money, I change my persona. Bulletproof whip, I'm gon' hit the corner, I'm in.
We got an M3, y'all. Look, I'm just swerving through traffic and we catch an M3. Oh, damn. And the Benzo want to skirt up on their ass, folks. I like that. Oh, little hump, little hump, little hump. Fatty. Nice little M3. I think it's a little older, but that motherfucker decent, though. We got a little Jag truck right there. What the hell is y'all doing? What the f*** you stop for? Race car, bro. That motherfucker decent though. You should have got a bigger spoiler. You ask me. It's alright though. You trying to dump that shit, bro? You know we got that thunk on us. You know we got that thunk on us. Oh, I ain't. Yeah. Oh, he got that motherfucker. He just got that bitch. Got a new tag on that bitch. He must have just got that motherfucker. Come on, man. They sent out. I see I got that. Oh, yeah. They just, you know what I mean? All white motherfucker. Great dial. I mean, great, yeah. Turn. Turn. We riding in Hollywood. Hollywood swinging. Yeah. Hollywood swinging. This nigga took 7 years to finally roll that thing up.
Man, I ain't do that.
Nah, folks.
I ain't do that.
Nah, folks.
Goddamn zigzagging and
Nah,
shit.
I don't
Goddamn, I can't even
all
roll
that
the
shit.
blunt. I can't even
Shut up,
roll
boy. We ain't
these.
talking to you no more.
They ain't gonna notice me.
But I can't roll my windows. I mean, windows down because we just got the tents. You know what I'm saying? So we got the, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Z-Money. It's just what's going on. Got the Margellis, Rolly, Palm Angie, Godspeed with the Chizines on. You know what I'm saying? That shit ain't juking. My shit is juking. Oh, y'all, I seen this Jag truck with this raw ass wrap on it. I trucks, them bitches hard. I think I might take that color and put it on my Benz. I don't know. Orange seats, orange inside. Little motherfucking pumpkin. A little big pumpkin. I know my birthday in the fall now. Play. I had to pull the vet out of Chinatown, man. Had to come in, Child, man. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. Oh, you finally got in the car smooth this time. Okay, you got it this time. We're gonna see your ass try to get out there, but.
We got them up like a pig.
Well, hell no, you gotta get out there like a goofy.
Damn, bro, we got petrol cargo, so chill out. Chill out.
You gotta put your seatbelt on right now, boy. This is not a game. I repeat, this is not a drill.
Roger, 91. Prepare to take off.
No yeah.
Yeah. Gotta hold the bag. You don't want the hand.
Yeah, Z money, nigga.
You talking your drift.
Hidden, chain, hidden, brain, hidden, what, hidden, hidden. Yeah, you know, we had to get that tunnel action for the squad, for the gang. Almost cleared that tunnel without letting y'all, you know what I'm saying, without doing it with y'all, man. I'm sorry.